Welcome to A Plus Healthy Lifestyle 3-minute easy mindfulness practice. If you're ready, find a comfy spot and sit down in a comfortable position. Keep your body balanced, upright, and relaxed. Rest your hands on your thighs or knees, wherever feels comfortable. Lower your gaze and relax your eyelids. If you prefer, you can close your eyes. When you feel balanced and relaxed, start focusing on your breath. Take slow, natural breaths in and out. Feel the air pass through your nostrils, into your lungs, and down to your abdomen. Notice the rise and fall of your lower abdomen, or the sensations in your nasal cavity. Your mind might wander, and that's okay. Just gently bring your focus back to your breath. And this is a successful mindfulness experience. Sit relaxed and balanced. Slowly inhale and exhale. You've completed this 3-minute easy mindfulness practice. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a deep breath. Stretch and notice how you feel. Make it a daily habit to set aside a few minutes for this mindfulness practice and let it become a natural part of your life.